If you're looking for a solid 2-channel amplifier to power a set of components or a small subwoofer, look no further than the Pioneer GM-A3702. This Pioneer amp is a solid choice for good power on a budget. The Pioneer GM-A series amplifiers are Pioneer's entry-level amplifiers. They're all Class A/B, and they provide flexibility with loading down to 2 ohm in stereo mode, 4 ohm in bridge mode, and perfect for those just getting started in car audio. Pioneer has rated the amplifiers with CTA 2006 compliance. We'll put that to the test in a minute. Inside the box is a high-level harness, hardware, and 2-channel amplifier. For under $100, what can this amplifier do in terms of output? Pioneer rates it at 60 watts RMS by 2 channels at 4 ohms, 95 watts RMS by 2 channels at 2 ohms, and bridged 190 watts by 1 channel at 4 ohms. This is a nice way to start a system. The dimensions of the amplifier are 9 5/8 inches in width, 2 3/8 inches in height, and 7 1/8 inches in depth. For adjustments, Pioneer included gain control. The crossover is non-adjustable and is fixed at 80 Hz. Speaker level input harness, and a very nice feature that Pioneer added was automatic signal sensing turn-on for both the RCAs and speaker level input. Aesthetically, the GM-A series amplifiers are pretty simple. They feature a satin black chassis with red Pioneer logo, no lighting. The Pioneer GM-A3702 is a versatile amplifier when it comes to connecting to your signal source. Connect directly to the RCA inputs of the amplifier using the RCA preamp outputs on your aftermarket head unit, or you can use the high-level input with the included harness to connect directly to the speaker connections on your factory head unit or at the speaker locations. For connections, the amplifier features 2 sets of spade connection terminals for channel A and channel B. We recommend 8 to 10 gauge power and ground leads. Be sure to check out our amplifier installation kits online at qualitymobilevideo.com. Pioneer fitted the amplifier with a single 25 amp fuse. This amplifier is Class AB, so it will be less efficient than Class D, so make sure you don't choke this amplifier with undersized power cable. Let's test this amplifier out and see if it hits its specification. The first test we ran was 2 channels driven, 4 ohm, 1 kilohertz, 14.2 volts. Pioneer rates the amplifier at 65 watts by 2 channels here. Our audio precision will generate our signal and measure distortion. Our HP8903B audio analyzer picked up 66 watts RMS per channel, 1.04% distortion, and 16 volts of output. Our AMM1 read 51 watts RMS, and we drew 14 amps of current. Going down to 40 Hz, our HP picked up 61 watts RMS, 1% distortion, and 15.5 volts of output. Our AMM1 read 54 watts and we drew 14 amps of current. Next we went to 2 ohms, 2 channels driven, 40 Hz. Our HP picked up 83 watts RMS, 1% distortion, and 12.8 volts of output. Our AMM1 read 72 watts and we drew 23 amps of current. Going up to 1 kilohertz, 2 channels driven. Our HP picked up 92 watts RMS, 1% distortion, and 13.4 volts of output. Our AMM1 read 72 watts, and we drew nearly 23 amps of current. Our final test was frequency response. We used our audio precision to run up each frequency. As you can see, this amplifier has a very linear frequency response, all the way from nearly 10 Hz to 40,000 kilohertz. The power output of this amplifier was spot on, and it's a pretty decent option for a simple 2-channel amplifier. Would you take a flyer on this amp in the sub $100 price range? If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and click that like button. If you hated it, click the dislike button. Join the conversation below and subscribe to our channel if you're new. Thanks for watching.